Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to make account on Tripadvisor. So here on today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make account on Tripadvisor. So there's a few ways you can do it. You can continue it with Google right here, or you can create an account. When creating an account, you can make yourself some password if you just continue with Google and you won't have a password, just continue with the Google. So yeah, so I suggest create account. After pressing on create account, you need to enter email address. So I'll see you guys after I enter my email address and password right here. I'm gonna cut this part. And as you can see right now, entered email now and password right here. I'm just gonna click on check right there. Now, yeah, yes, I inform you deals on futures right there and blah 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 OTPs on that. So now we're just gonna press on that. Now we just have to wait for a few seconds. So I'll see you guys right there. Oh wait, let's go. Now we're gonna enter an email right here. So, I enter name. We wanna put in Clint Journal right there. City. Let's put in our. Let's say we're in Philippines, so we're gonna put in Philippines. So we're gonna put in Rizal. There we go. Oh no, Rizal. The Rizal Luzon, Philippines. Then finish. Then now we're gonna choose let's go places. Let's go to London. London Bridge is falling down, and then we're gonna choose 19. Oopsie. 19 to 20, like that. Next, rating your trip. As you can see, London is a great choice, gathering some popular sites to spark your inspiration. Now here we have created your trip. Now just click on finish once you're done. There you can skip this part right here. So there you go, guys. Now we have created our account here at Tripadvisor. So there you go, guys. How to create your account at Tripadvisor. If you have any questions, concerns, you can type in the comment section below. And if you're asking why on Tripadvisor I don't have a password like that, because you continue with your Google account. So yeah, there you go. This is a quick tip for you guys. So there you go, guys. If you guys like the video, enjoyed. If you have any more questions, type in the comment section below. Happy to answer you guys, and a thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.